Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed choices.
Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Loop Switch 3-in-1 Noise Reduction Earbuds.
These earbuds promise to tackle sensory overload with their innovative design, offering multiple sound profiles for different environments.
Let's see if they live up to the hype. The Loop Switch earbuds are aimed at those who struggle with sound sensitivity.
They feature three distinct sound profiles: quiet, engage, and experience, each designed to filter out noise levels ranging from 17 to 25 decibels. This versatility means they're not just for music or movies but can adapt to various scenarios, from office settings to noisy commutes.
Let's start with the positives. The Loop Switch earbuds boast a stylish design and come with multiple ear tip sizes for a customizable fit.
They're effective at reducing ambient noise, making them suitable for a wide range of activities. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. They're slightly bulkier and heavier than previous Loop models, which might affect long-term comfort, especially during extended use. The sound profiles, while versatile, may not replicate the exact experience of the original Loop models across all settings.
During testing, these earbuds proved their worth in real-world scenarios.
Whether on a plane, in a bustling cafe, or even at home, they excelled at minimizing distractions without compromising sound quality too much. The mechanical switch to toggle between profiles is a nice touch, allowing independent control over each earbud.
In terms of comfort, opinions were mixed. While the ear tips offer a good seal, some users found them less comfortable for prolonged wear compared to other earbuds in the market. This could be a consideration for those who prioritize all-day comfort. Wrapping up, the Loop Switch earbuds present a compelling option for anyone dealing with sound sensitivity issues. They strike a balance between functionality and affordability, though they're not without minor quirks. If you value versatility and effective noise reduction over absolute comfort, these earbuds could be a game changer. That's it for today's review. If you've tried the Loop Switch yourself, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Thanks for watching.